This is Justin Case of American Newscape, joining our friend and book wrangler, Sarah Wisdom, bringing you Yuma County Library happenings. Hello, Sarah. Welcome back to American Newscape.
Hello. Thank you for having me again this week.
Oh, we're excited. We're excited, Sarah. Now, before we get to what's on the horizon at our libraries, please share some Heritage Library recognition.
Right. We are so excited. We just found out that we are the recipient of a National Association of Counties, or NACO, Achievement Award. And that honor goes to our Heritage Library because it was their program called Senior Storytime that garnered that award. Now, Senior Storytime was a brainstorm of outreach connections and how to reach people who maybe couldn't come to the library. And the Heritage Library staff thought, well, we just have to take the library to them. So they connected with the Yuma Senior Living Center here in Yuma and started going every other Friday for a senior story time. They chose a book, they chose music, a theme, much like we do for our story times for kids. And everybody would gather in the common area to talk about the theme, which could be pets or holidays or a part of history. And just, it was a great chance to interact and hear other people's stories. The component that came along with that was they would designate somebody ahead of time to share a story from their life that went along with the theme of the day. So people got to share a story or a memory from their life about a holiday or a treasured pet. And it was just a really terrific program, and it allowed us to reach people that maybe we otherwise wouldn't have been able to engage with.
What a remarkable program. And you guys slipped that past me. I didn't even know what was going on.
Yeah, it started in August of 2019, and then of course COVID put the brakes on everything. But up until then, the program was very successful, and we enjoyed a great partnership with the Living Center, Senior Center, and we hope to resume that program.
Well, I'm looking forward to that thing getting kicked off again. And kudos to everybody that sat on those teams that developed it, the center.
It was really out of the box thinking. They definitely deserve the award.
Okay, that's very cool. Okay, now Sarah, what's happening at our libraries?
Right. Well, we are bringing our programming back, much to everyone's delight. We get lots of yays and woohoos on Facebook when we post about our program. So coming up this week, we have another resume building / job seeking workshop at our Somerton Library. They're helping those who are either looking for a job or maybe it's their first time kind of breaking into the job market. They're helping them design a resume that really tailors their skills and education and experience to the job that they're looking for. And they're also showing you different ways to search for jobs. We know the internet is a mile wide, and miles wide and just a couple inches deep. So hopefully we can help you narrow down those job searches a little bit and really direct you towards something that you're interested in and that you're going to be a good fit for.
And I would encourage anybody that's looking for a career change, especially if you're an old fart like me. We were taught how to write resumes back in the day, but they really don't apply to today. It's not what they're looking for. So going in and brushing up on your resume writing skills is a very good idea.
Yes, and along with that, I think back in the day we used one resume for every job we applied for, and that just isn't effective anymore. You have to arrange your skill set and your experience so that the person reading your resume can fit you right in to that position that you're applying for. Oh, I see how this fits in and this experience works. Maybe you don't have the degree they're looking for or the experience, but maybe you have other comparable skills. So yes, it's very important to rework it and make it the most effective resume that you can.
Okay. What else, Sarah?
Well, another exciting activity that has come back to the main library is our Teen Anime Club. And this was a very robust group before the pandemic hit. They would meet in the teen room a couple Saturdays a month to watch anime, do related crafts, kind of geek out with each other about different anime that they liked. And we say that lovingly. Geek and nerd are terms of endearment now. So we wanted to create an environment where people that were like-minded and enjoyed the same kinds of anime could come and talk about it, draw pictures of it, create crafts. So that has kicked off once again at the main library. They are meeting this Saturday in the teen room from 1 to 3. It's for ages 13 to 18.
Cool. Cool. And I want you to know I did carry a slide rule in my pocket when I went to high school.
Okay. So you would be familiar with those terms then.
Yes, I would.
Okay. Well, last but not least, another club that's coming back is our Lego Club, which is always popular. And I don't think it really matters what age you are. I think people of all ages really enjoy Legos. If you spread Legos out on a table, chances are kids as well as adults will sit down and build something. So they're just really engaging and a lot of fun. So we're going to be hosting our Lego Club for 8 to 12-year-olds. That's coming up on the 28th, and that'll be in the craft room of the main library.
Sarah, that's all exciting, and we're really, and I can't stress enough how proud we are of everybody at the Heritage and the teams that put that other program together. So, that being said, this has been Justin Case and Sarah Wisdom, bringing you Yuma County Library happenings. Thanks for joining us. Remember, additional information and links are provided in this video's Read More. Today's the day to subscribe to this channel and to please support book wranglers, libraries, and librarians everywhere.